All right, looks like we got silver number 1. The rain has subsided. And we've got our first silver in the hole. Awesome. All right, looks like a Georgie. It looks like a Georgie. Yep, it's another George. Another George, 1946. Awesome. Oops. 1946. Sweet. All right. On the silver board. Catch you on the next, folks. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. All right, we'll see you in a bit. All right, folks, we just got silver coin number 2. Sorry about the wind. Starting to get windy out. Looks like a quarter. All right. Cool. Let's pull that out together. All right. Nice. Can't quite see the year, but it is a 61. Well, a young Lizzie, 64, 61, 60 something. Awesome. Silver number 2 on the day. All right, we're gonna keep plugging away and see if we can't get any more. Catch you on the next, folks. Woohoo! Looks like we got something pretty green here. Let's see what it is together. Holy smokes, it's a large tent. Wow. Wouldn't expect one of those out of the 40s park. It is crusty too. Wow, a large scent. Awesome. Let's see if we can't light this up a bit. Yeah, it's definitely a large scent. Oops. Dropped her in the snow. Okay, well that'll help clean it up a bit. A little water. A little water always helps. Oh yeah, getting rid of some of that green. Starting to snow. A few little drops. Huh. Well, it's definitely a large scent. I haven't got a date off it, but we'll get that in the wrap up. Oops, looks like I nicked it. Whew, nicked it good too. All right, we'll carry on. Catch you on the next, folks. A large scent out of the 40s park. All right, see you on the next. Sorry about the wind. This was really far down there. That's like some kind of old pin or something. Oh man. Sorry about that. Old little toy badge. I don't know. Feels solid though. Feels solid. Cool. Let me clean this up and we'll definitely get back to you. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. We'll clean that up and get back to you, folks. Alright, see you in a bit. Ciao. Alright, folks. Looks like we may have silver coin number 3. Looks like a quarter. Oh yeah. Let's see what's up in there. Alright, let's check this out together. Sweet. There it is. Oops, looks like I did a little shaving on this side. Yeah, looks like I did a little shaving on the other side. What do we have? Oh, it's a Georgie quarter. Alright. 1940. Sweet. 3 silver coins, 2 quarters today. Alright, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Alright, cool. We're going to plug along here and see what else we can get. Alright, catch you on the next, folks. See ya. Folks, sorry about the wind. So, I had a good signal. I flipped the plug, which is right there. Used a pinpointer, couldn't find it. So I was like, well, what's going on? So I put the plug back in, gave it another swing, no sound. I'm like, no sound now. So I swung around the area and look, it fell over here when I moving the shovel. Looks like another silver. Who do we have this time? Another Georgie. All right. The day of the George today. Sweet. What year is this one? That's 4 silvers today. 4 silvers. Man, this one's scratched too. Looks like this one might be 1950. Sweet. Sorry about the wind. Alright, we're going to continue plugging along. We'll catch you on the next, folks. See ya. Alright, folks, it's snowing now. Little snowballs. But it looks like we may have silver number 5 on the day. Another dime. Sweet. Let's see what we got. We got, ooh, not even silver. Might not be silver. I don't think this one is silver. I think that's a 70 something. Alright, we'll catch you on the next, folks. See ya. Hey folks, the weather's turning for the worse. You can see the pellets all falling. But I see something shiny in the hole. I think that's silver number 5 on the day, and it looks like another quarter. Alright. Oops, too much. Too much. Sweet. Sweet, 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 sweet. Let's pull that out together and see what we got. Another young Lizzie quarter. Alright. That's 5 silvers today. Awesome. Awesome. Oh, this 40 spark is loaded. I don't think it's ever been hit. There's just stuff everywhere. Alright. Let's see if there's anything else and catch you on the next, folks. See ya. Hey folks, okay, just another wrap up from today's hunt. Looks like we got 9 young Lizzie pennies today. 3 wheats. And 4 KG6 pennies. We got this old brass ring. Like something that would have been on a farm. And we got this bullet today as well. Cool. We also got this ring. It's old. It's not precious metal. Looks like it's brass or copper. Old copper man's ring. Cool though. Chunky. Did have a little pattern on it. We got an American quarter. I think it's 1968. No big deal. We got a KG 5 large cent there today too, which is kind of weird, but it's pretty roached. I hit it with the shovel too, as you can see with the nick there, but that one is pretty roached anyway. We also got this typing metal. It said speed and accuracy, and it also had writing on the back. I believe that to say Toronto. You can see the TO there. Gonna have to try and get that green crest off, but it's hard as rock. It's like concrete. And it's got a typewriter in the center, and it says speed and accuracy, some kind of typing award or medal. And for the silver, today we got a 1946 George dime. And we got a 1950s George dime. And we got a 1964 Young Liz quarter. A 1959 Young Liz quarter. And a 1940 KG6 quarter. Kind of worn, but these are all 80% silvers, and that leaves me 5 to get to 400, 395. 5 more, 3 days to do it. Alright, awesome. Good day. Alright, we'll catch you on the next, folks. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you're not already. Alright, catch you on the next.